Angle bisectors of a triangle. Theorem: there is bisector of an angles of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of remaining side. Bisector of an angle. Bisector of an angle. Bisect a triangle in a triangle. This is a triangle. Bisector of an angle. This divides the side opposite to the angle. This opposite side. This angle. This angle opposite side. This bisector of an angle divides side divide कर रहा है means कि bisector of an angle is a line or ray which divides the angle into two equal parts. This equal part. Okay. Now in the ratio of remaining side means ABC triangle is given and this angle C intersect segment AB in the point E. Okay. Now to prove AE upon EB equal to AC upon CB. This is in a triangle ABC given and bisector of an angle means bisector angle C, angle bisector of angle C intersect AB, segment AB in the point E. This is given and this to prove. Okay. And if you will do anything in figure, then we will write construction part. Means given, first given and next to prove and then construction, then start the proof. Okay. This is angle bisector of a triangle. Angle bisect means this and is a line. Angle bisector is a ray which divides angle into two equal parts. Means if suppose that this 60 total divides equal parts means 30 half, 30 there. Okay. Angle bisectors of a triangle. Now given in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersects segment AB in the point E. Means triangle ABC given. Triangle ABC, draw figure. This is rough figure and this is fair figure. Triangle ABC given. Okay. Triangle ABC given. Bisector of angle C intersects segment AB. Bisector of angle C intersect segment AB in the point E. This is given part. Now to prove AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. We have to prove. हमें क्या prove करना है? AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. This given part we will write from theorem and to prove part also we will write from theorems. Okay. First theorem statement must be learned. Now construction, if we will do anything in figure, then we will write there in construction part. Means draw line parallel to ray CE, parallel line, this line passing through the point B, passing through the point B. Extend AC so as intersect it at point D. Intersect this. Okay. First we will draw figure, then we will write construction part. CE parallel, draw line parallel to CE means B, suppose this D. Okay, this point is D. Passing through the point B. Extend AC at intersect at point D. Now construction clear. पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे सी से BD लाइन पासिंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट B एंड एक्सटेंड करेंगे AC लाइन एट पॉइंट D. ओके एंड ज्वाइन this to this line. Now start proof. Means ray CE parallel ray BD. This and this ray are parallel to each other and AD is transversal line. Now suppose this ray and this ray CE parallel ray BD and this is transversal line. This is DB and this is CE. and this is transversal line. Means formation of F. F means this angle is equal to this angle. Which region? Corresponding angles. Okay. Means ray CE parallel BD, and this is transversal line. Means F formation ACE angle AC equal to angle CDB, corresponding angles. Now taking BC as BC, this as transversal. Suppose that this is transversal and this line is parallel. Now suppose that this and this line is parallel and this is transversal line. Okay, transversal line means ki Z formation. This angle is equal to this angle. Z formation means their angle is equal to their. Angle ECB equal to angle CBD. Alternate angle. Z formation means which is an alternate angle. Now this angle is equal to this angle. Bisector angle. Angle bisector means ki is a line or ray which divides angle into two equal parts. Means angle ACE congruent ECB given. Angle bisector means ki this given. Okay. Now if suppose that this is equal to this, means ki CBD equal to CDB. This angle is equal to this angle from angle bisector. This is given from theorem. Then means ki angle CDB equal to CDB. CBD, CDB, CBD. Both angles are equal or congruent to each other from first, second and third equation. From first, second and third equation. First, second and third equation. This corresponding angle, this alternate angle, this is given, and if this angle is equal to this from third, then this angle is equal to this from first, second and third. In triangle CBD, CBD. Now CBD, side C, if this angle is equal to this, means CBD is equal to CDB, and angles both CBD and CDB, both angles are equal, means their opposite sides are also congruent. Means D opposite side CB and B opposite side CD. Means side CB congruent side CD. Side opposite to congruent angles in triangle CBD. If this, suppose that this angle is equal to this ABC, angle A equal to angle B, means their side opposite side are also equal, means C angle A CB equal to angle B AC from there. Okay, in triangle CBD means this angle is equal to angle B is equal to angle D, means angle B opposite side CD and D opposite side CB. Side both are congruent, means CB is equal to CD. CB is equal to CD. Now in triangles ABD complete. Segment EC parallel BD. Segment EC parallel segment BD means construction किए from construction complete triangle चूज करेंगे. In triangle ABD segment EC parallel segment BD. Now basic proportionality theorem, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. AE upon EB equal to AC upon CD. Basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now CB equal to CD. In place of CD की place पे we will write CB. We have only this triangle. This triangle is construction part. मीन्स कि हमें इससे नहीं कुछ लेना. ओके. CD इक्वल किसके हो रहा है? CB. मीन्स CD के प्लेस पे क्या पुट करेंगे? CB. CD के प्लेस पे CB पुट करेंगे. AE अपॉन EB इक्वल टू AC अपॉन CB. AE अपॉन EB इक्वल टू CA अपॉन CB और AC अपॉन CB बोथ आर सेम. मीन्स कि दिस इज प्रूव. Hence proved. Theorem statement. फर्स्ट वी विल पुट इन माइंड व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव, हमें क्या प्रूव करना है. मीन्स कि हमें प्रूव करना है ए अपॉन ए बी, ए सी अपॉन सी बी. दिस हाफ पार्ट हम रिमेंबर करेंगे. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. इन बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम, दिस if a line parallel to a side of a triangle, if a line parallel to a side of triangle intersect the remaining side, this and this intersect the remaining side in two distinct points C and E, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. Means A upon EB same proportion, remaining side AB and CD same proportion, AE upon EB equal to AC upon CD. but हमें CD से we have no work. CD का हमें कोई भी वर्क नहीं है. In place of CD we will put CB. Then we will get two proof part. AE upon CB is equal to CA upon CD. Only first work क्या करेंगे, corresponding angle and second alternate angle and third given, equate first second third equation and put, we have to get B, angle B is equal to angle D and side angle B side opposite. In a triangle two angles are equal means their opposite side will also be equal. means CB equal to CD. साइड CB के प्लेस पे क्या पुट, CD के प्लेस पे पुट कर देंगे CB. then we will get easily to prove part. okay, very easy. next